DNA test confirms decomposed body is that of Kevin Walker, the Digicel employee body that was found stuffed in a barrel. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. DNA tests have confirmed that the decomposing body found in a barrel in a gully at the intersection of Marcus Garvey Drive and Industrial Terrace last month is that of missing Kingston businessman Kevin Walker. The body was found a day after Mr. Walker's disappearance, and the perpetrators reportedly withdrew $700,000 from his account. Assistant Commissioner of Police Michael Phillips confirmed that the results were returned on a Wednesday as investigation into Walker's death continue. Walker was employed at Digicel at the time of his death. He has been described as a kind and much loved and valued member of the organization. He joined the company in June 2015, starting in customer care before transitioning into Digicel team as a sales administration agent. One of the suspects linked to the case was killed in a confrontation with police on February 12 in Denham Town in Kingston. The deceased, believed to be a man known as Diamond, had previously been listed as a person of interest in relation to the case. During the same operation, a 19-year-old suspect known as Tico was also taken into custody. Police has also identified two other suspects, LaVar Witter and a man known by his alias Shano. Links 007 TV News will continue to track this story and have more details to come on this in a later newscast. Thanks for watching.